జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 671st నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం ఫ్రమ్ 71st శ్లోక. ఓం బ్రహ్మవిదే నమః. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattara Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattariyaha, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsanka Sutta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. ఓం బ్రహ్మవిదే నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are the one who knows all the Vedas. Though Vedas are unlimited, but being Sarvajna, you are the one who knows that unlimited treasure of Vedas. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Brahmavide Namaha. Om Brahmavide Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Tara saying to all the Vanaras that let us all go back to the same bilam. If we stay there, iha astino naiva bhayam purandarat na raghavat vanara rajatopiva. If we stay there, not even Devendra or Ramachandra or Sugriva, nobody can do any harm to us. We can be safe there in that same bilam. When Tara said like that, all the Vanaras immediately saying that yes, let us all do that. Whatever that it can save us, let us do the same thing. Whatever that it can protect us, let us do the same thing. Like that, all the Vanaras collectively agreeing with Tara. And Angada is also agreeing with Tara. That is how Angada's strength started increasing. Hanuman noticing that Angada's intellect is now shining. Angada's buddhi is shining with Ashtanga Yogam. Ashtanga Yoga means grasping, sustaining, remembering, teaching, anticipating new things, understanding the meaning, and learning and understanding, realizing the truth. These are 8 aspects of buddhi. Now Hanuman noticing that this Ashtanga Yoga buddhi is shining in Angada. Not only that, Chaturbala Samanvitam. Hanuman noticing that 4 kinds of balam, strength, is increasing in Angada. That is Bahubalam and Manobalam, Upaya Balam, Bandhu Balam. Bahubalam is physical strength, Manobalam mental strength, Upaya Balam strategic strength, Bandhu Balam support from many people. Like this, 4 types of strength is increasing in Angada. Hanuman noticing that. Not only that, Chaturdesha Gunam, 14 qualities are shining in Angada. Hanuman noticing that. What are those 14 gunas? Having an understanding about place and time in which they are, and strength, enduring all the troubles, and having an understanding about everything, capacity, zeal, keeping all the thoughts and plans confidential, not speaking any lies, and valor, estimating opponent's strength, gratitude, taking care of all those who belongs to him, having no anger, having no wavering mind. These are 14 great qualities. Now Hanuman noticing these 14 qualities are increasing in Angada. Now Hanuman thinking like this. This Yuvaraj, Angada, he is getting to a height in intellect to the level of Brihaspati. He is getting to a level in valor and shining just like his father Vali. And he is looking like Devendra. As and how Devendra listens to Sukra, now this Angada listening to Tara. Like this, Angada becoming Sarvashastra Vidamvaram. He is getting excellent in all aspects. Now, Hanuman thinking like this. This kind of great Angada should never be separated from Sugriva. Now I have to make all my effort to keep Angada very close to Sugriva. Like that Hanuman thought, and Sachaturnam Upayanam Trutiyam Upavarnayan. There are 4 ways of approaching anyone to convince. One is Sama, second one Dana, third one Bheda, fourth one Danda. These 4 are means to approach anyone to make him or her convinced. Now, Hanuma taking third means, Bhedopayam, and observing that means, Hanuma spoke to all the Vanaras, and with his great intellectual ability of speech, Hanuma convinced all the Vanaras to go against Angada. So now all the Vanaras are against to a decision to go back to Bilam and start living there. Now nobody is agreeing. Angada became only one. So like that Hanuma separated all the Vanaras from Angada. That is how Hanuma made Angada weak. Now Hanuma taking 4th means to deal with Angada, that is Dandopayam. According to that Dandopayam, Hanuma Bhishanaihi Bahubhihi Vakyaihi. He started shouting at Angada, and he started speaking very harsh and frightening, scaring Angada. Like that, Hanuma making effort to keep Angada not separated from Sugriva. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. 71st శ్లోక ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. బ్రహ్మణ్యో బ్రహ్మకృద్ బ్రహ్మ బ్రహ్మ బ్రహ్మవివర్ధనః బ్రహ్మవిత్ బ్రాహ్మణో బ్రహ్మీ బ్రహ్మజ్ఞో బ్రాహ్మణప్రియః. బ్రహ్మణ్యో బ్రహ్మకృద్ బ్రహ్మ బ్రహ్మ బ్రహ్మవివర్ధనః బ్రహ్మవిద్ బ్రాహ్మణో బ్రహ్మీ బ్రహ్మజ్ఞో బ్రాహ్మణప్రియః. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం బ్రహ్మవిదే నమః. ఓం బ్రహ్మవిదే నమః. ఓం బ్రహ్మవిదే నమః.